You see that voice that is always telling you to leave your relationship. My sister, calm down. I know sometimes there is this spirit that will just come and ask you to leave him or leave her. But my brother, my sister, calm down. Just calm down first. Please don't leave him and don't leave her. Because like I always say, there are loads of people out there looking for boyfriend and looking for girlfriend. So the moment you leave, they will rush them immediately. And that is when you will realize it is cold outside. Not every relationship should end because of temporary emotion or misunderstandings. Sometimes what you need is patience, communication, and understanding. Follow me for more.